Concept and nature of learning. Every organism must survive in society or its environment. At birth, a few intrinsic characteristics or instincts help in basic survival. However, for human beings, these instincts are not enough. To live a better life, humans must acquire abilities, attitudes, skills, and knowledge. A human acquires reflexes like crying, sucking, and breathing at birth, which help in survival with parental care. However, apart from these reflexes or instincts, a human child needs to modify its behavior to adjust to the environment or society. What is learning? Learning means a change in behavior in a desired manner. It refers to acquiring knowledge or skills through study, practice, experience, or being taught. Learning means becoming aware of something through information or observation. It is the process of acquiring knowledge with a conscious intention. Thus, learning can be defined as the process through which a human being acquires abilities, attitudes, or skills from the environment for survival and development. In simple terms, learning means a progressive change in behavior in a desired manner. What is behavior? The external reactions of an organism to its environment are called behavior. Behavior is how someone acts. It is the response to things happening around an individual. It can be classified as internal behavior, thoughts and processes within the mind. External behavior, actions influenced by the environment. Behavior includes physical, mental, and emotional reactions of an organism to internal or external stimuli. Change in behavior through learning. Learning means bringing a progressive change in the response of an organism. Example: a newborn baby has only one response, crying. However, as the child grows, different emotional expressions such as fear, hunger, anger, and pleasure become evident. Thus, learning is the modification of behavior through experience or training. Example: a student who joins school in nursery learns the alphabet after a few days. Before schooling, the child did not know the alphabet. But after learning, a change in behavior can be observed. Change in behavior equals terminal behavior, initial behavior. Role of experience in learning. Behavioral changes in human beings occur deliberately or incidentally while interacting with the environment. Experience and practice play a crucial role in learning. Example: skills like dancing, swimming, cycling, and typing can be acquired through practice. Who first used the term learning? In 1948, Ernest Hilgard first used the word learning in his book, Theories of Learning. Linguistically, the word learning originates from Leorian, Old English, and Lernum, German, both meaning to learn. Different perspectives of learning. General perspective: acquiring new knowledge or skills. Psychological perspective: a relatively permanent change in behavior due to practice, training, or experience. What is not learning? 1. Performance is not learning. 2. Biological changes do not indicate learning. Changes in physique and body shape. Change in vocal cords, e.g., voice change during puberty. 3. Instincts are not learning. Natural tendencies that do not require learning. 4. Imprinting, blind imitation, is not learning. Copying something without understanding. 5. Fatigue is not learning. 6. Effects of drugs, medicines do not indicate learning. Examples of learning. 1. A child learns language to express feelings. 2. A child learns mathematics to solve daily life problems. 3. A child memorizes multiplication tables and grammar rules for solving problems and forming error-free sentences. 4. A child can perform a dance act after practice, training. 5. Skills such as playing games, swimming, cycling, and typing are results of learning. Conclusion. Learning is a progressive modification of human behavior through experience, practice, or training. Key takeaways. Learning is a continuous process. It leads to behavioral change. Practice, experience, and training are essential for learning. Learning can be understood from different perspectives. By understanding learning in this comprehensive manner, students can apply this knowledge effectively in real-life situations.